Guys, this is gonna be the most insane episode to date, alright? Hunter, my friend who's 10 times more experienced than me, 10 times smarter than me, talks about if the stock market is overvalued, if you should buy, if you should sell, along with a bunch of other topics such as, is it too high for the coronavirus? Is Tesla overpriced? Is green energy and electric cars the new wave? Alright, well, if you stay here for the whole video, you will definitely find out a lot of answers and what we think. Alright, guys, see you in there.
Alright, guys, and this is my friend Hunter on the phone right now. Hunter, introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. I am Hunter, same grade as Liam, and we are both investors or whatever in the stock market, and we're getting started. You know, we're young, but that's how we do it, making the money out here. So, yeah, just here to talk about some topics and share our thoughts on the small channel, and then hopefully grow in the future. So, yeah.
Why don't you tell us about some of the stocks you had, how much money you made, all that good stuff.
Yeah, so I had my first investment was, what was it? Shoot. Was it Delta? Well, okay, I did buy a couple shares of Delta when it dipped here, around just when the corona, after the corona hit, and I got lucky. It bottomed out at $21 a share, and I bought a couple shares there. I don't know, $200, and I made 20%. I just sold because it went right up. If you look at the chart, which I don't know, Liam, you might have up or might not have up. So that was really good. Facebook. Oh, my first investment was IPGP and Facebook. I bought them around the same time. IPGP Photonics is a laser company. It's like the leading cutting edge laser stuff. You know, they build all of their own diodes and stuff to make crazy equipment, medical equipment, edge company. So I bought it when it dipped a little, and I had I held for about a year actually with that one. So I got a little tax break on it, I guess, because I only made $20 because it went down to $100. I was down 33% for a while, and then I just held it. And actually, this Corona, for whatever reason, the stock market's going wonky, but I sold it and made a nice little $20. Not much. I even had $300 in that stock, and then I bought a bunch of Facebook at $1.41. Actually, not a bunch, 2 shares, because we don't have a lot of money out here. But it went up. I made a nice $100 or whatever. So I was happy about that. But yeah, I sold out of everything. I'm just gonna wait for a little. It might never go down. I don't know. Nobody knows. And it's just crazy. I don't know what. I think, Liam, you think, right? It's gonna probably crash soon or sometime.
I don't know about soon, but I think once a big news article comes out.
Yes.
It's going to be going down.
You already know it.
I don't know, though, because a lot of the states are reopening, and if they just reopen, then there's no big deal.
Yeah, I mean, but a lot of companies already, some of them are out of business already, and it's going to put them in a spot where, especially a lot of companies have to take on more debt. And that's not good for the balance sheet.
Yeah, it might come down a bit.
The thing is, everything's priced in so high, Liam. Literally, you just look at the big, the big trackers. You got the NASDAQ over 10,000 record high. What the heck, during Corona? You're telling me that stock market's doing better now, but in Corona time than before. That just doesn't make any sense. But I guess inflation has to do with it, since there's a ton of money back into the market. But I guess that's the only reason inflation fears. People are afraid that their money is going to become less. But
do you think Tesla is overpriced right now?
I watched a thing on it. I think it's going to be huge in the future for sure. It's definitely, I don't know, who knows. I was talking about buying it $1,000 to $1,200, and then it went up another almost to $1,500 the other day, which is crazy. I don't think. All right, it is pretty high compared to what they're doing right now, but it's a perfect time for them to raise capital. So sell more shares, and then they can raise a ton of money to make more gigafactories and stuff, which is really good. The best time to do it is when the stock's going really high to dilute your shares. You don't want to hurt everybody, but they can raise a lot of money. They have a lot of money right now if they want to, and make their business even bigger which I think
I,
it'll need to be.
I think there's a trend with electric companies right about now, with electric like green power companies. You know,
Yeah.
like the new company with the electric trucking company recently just popped off. I'm not sure the exact percentage increase, but I think it was almost 300 maybe.
Yeah.
I think it was a 5 and then it went to 25 maybe even 30.
Is it Nikola? Yeah, Nikola.
I think it was
Like,
symbol SHLL.
oh yeah, Nikola's one of those hydro companies. I think I don't really know. I'm not investing in that one. Too high, too crazy. They have nothing yet. Only people are understanding. Hey, Tesla's really doing crazy out here. There's probably gonna be someone, and that'll step up to compete in the electric car company.
Yeah, right next to them.
And you can't have a monopoly, right? I don't know if that's a monopoly or not. I don't think it would. You got regular cars. It's regular cars versus electric cars. Still cars.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's just cars overall.
Yeah.
I don't think they have a monopoly at all.
Yeah, no, definitely not. But yeah, I don't know. Literally, Tesla's just been booming, so I guess everyone else has just been kind of following. Hop on some other stocks because people.
Yeah, that might be interesting to just hop on the stock, ride it up a bit, and then sell immediately, and then make that income back.
I mean, I can't do. I'm not gonna do any of. I have to I don't know. If I'm gonna buy something, I gotta
You have to trust it.
Yeah, I gotta trust that. I gotta at least look at some stuff. I don't know. I'm not. I can't tell what the market's gonna do. Trying to ride the market perfectly is it's insane. It's possible. It's impossible.
It'd be interesting though to kind of learn how people react to newer things and how the stock market reacts with that, and seeing if the stocks raise with that.
The one guy I watch on YouTube, actually, he took psychology courses in college, and he says it helped him out a lot because he could tell okay, well, this is happening. You see this, and this is how most people are going to react. And it's kind of a psychology game, because a lot of the stock market, any big moves up or down are usually based on fear. So, and not always, not in the general market, not in a, you're not going to be afraid if the stock, oh wow, they're doing really good. That's a good thing. But in the general market, something's up when everything just goes way up, way up, way up.
I'm really hoping RGS goes up before.
I mean, the Dow's up high, and the Dow Jones is up high, and the S&P, but it's not record high like the Nasdaq. I don't know why, but I mean, yeah, I know why. Because the big giant corporations hold so much weight in the Nasdaq. They're so heavily diluted with just Apple shares, Amazon shares, Microsoft shares, Facebook shares, just and those are the big movers. They're just tanking up. I mean, look at Amazon. Holy crap. It's just crazy.
Should be interesting to see what happens in the future with the market and see what takes over, and if there is going to be a drop eventually, or if it's just going to keep going up back to where it regularly is.
Exactly. Yeah. Very interesting, because this has never really happened before. The federal government just pumping so much money into the economy. It's kind of scary in a way, because do you think the earnings of for example, Nike, Liam went down, right? Their earnings were just, I don't know where Nike is now. I can look at it, but
Nike's I think back up to where it usually is.
Yeah, which is crazy. It's almost like it doesn't even matter anymore.
I don't know, because people see that it's undervalued and then they buy it and then they sell it back where it regularly is.
Peace out, everybody.
All right, thank you, Hunter.
Oh, hey, you're still here? After that long, boring episode? What's that? You want to see more of Hunter? I will show me that you want to see more of Hunter. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you will definitely see more of him every single week, Wednesday. Alright, guys? I'll see you then.